It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I am back. Check it out. I got my Queen of the Girl Geeks Candle Day 2023 Von Leo sweatshirt on. I gotta say, it is super cozy and comfortable. However, I want to talk about sizing. So I did get the extra large because sometimes in hoodies, I get one size and they're a little bit too tight. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going a little bit bigger. I wish I'd gotten the large. This one is definitely big in here. However, to wear it like in the evening, it feels like really cozy and comfortable. It almost feels like I'm wearing like pajamas. Seriously, like this is the best sweatshirt for just hanging out in. But if you want something a little bit more fitted, I would go more true to size, like on the sweatshirts. But overall, I am loving it. My friend Lenny helped me with the design. There's Queen, there's the matchbox, and then the candle, Queen of the Girl Geeks, and then Candle Day 2023. So check out Von Leo, lots of new stuff. If you use the code MINT15, you'll get an extra 15% off. And we are adding new products. We just added Lenny's, it's called the Quilty collection. And it's his original quilts on a t-shirt. We have one up right now that was inspired by Jamie Wakefield. So check it out. Thank you so much to everyone who has been checking out all of our stuff over on Von Leo. So speaking of Candle Day, we got to talk about Candle Day because it's coming up on December 1st, which is 13 days away. We are in like the 13-day countdown, less than 2 weeks. It's actually going to start on Friday, December 1st for rewards members only, online and in store. So what does that mean? It means that you want to download the app sooner than later because you don't want to do it like the day of Candle Day because I don't know if it's going to be hard to like, you know, get the app. So download the app and then you'll be all ready. Thank you, Tess. I am hearing from Tess, Life Inside the Page, other sources that the price for Candle Day this year is going to be $9.95. Doesn't surprise me. I'm really happy we're under the $10 price point. Yeah, thumbs up. Oh my gosh. Okay, is anyone seeing the fireworks? I did not do that. I swear. So weird. Okay. Well, that was kind of exciting. I feel like AI is like all over the place here. So I'm super excited. $9.95 on the price, which means if you have a 20% off coupon, you probably can't use it online because they very rarely let you use the coupon online. It's usually a coupon word code, but in stores, $9.95 minus 20%, you're going to be at $7.96 for Candle Day, which is a really good deal. People are going to be saving their 20% off coupons to use on Candle Day. So cross your fingers. This is not official, but it is what I'm hearing the price point is going to be. And usually that's what it is. I've seen $9.50. I think one year we were at like $10.25, weren't we? I don't know. Like I said, I'm glad it's under $10 this year. So I'm going to be doing a lot of Candle Day videos. Right now, I just wanted to go over a couple of collections that Tess is talking about on Life Inside the Page. We have the All I Want for Christmas collection, which is Vanilla Balsam. That is a great candle, by the way. Strawberry Snowflakes, Cranberry Pearbolini, which is a Candle Day favorite. The Perfect Christmas and Merry Mimosa. We have the White Barn collection, core collection. We have Paris Cafe, should be coming back. Everyone likes Paris Cafe. Let's see, the body care. Yes, thumbs up. Body care collection, Dahlia, Sweet Pea, Saltwater Breeze, In the Stars, Butterfly Ocean, Into the Night, Japanese Cherry Blossom, 1,000 Wishes, and Pure Wonder. They always do like a body care collection for candles. Then we have the 4 seasons, which is the perfect autumn, the perfect spring, the perfect summer, and the perfect winter. I don't know what those are going to be. The spring hit refresh collection. We always have spring candles at Candle Day: Tiki Beach, Black Teakwood, White Tea and Sage, Fresh Cut Lilacs, Mahogany Coconut. The Supper Club collection, they always do like a boozy collection: Black Tie, Sweet Whiskey, Raspberry Mimosa, Peach Bellini. Peach Bellini comes back every single year. The Sweet Tooth collection, that's the one I'm most interested in. Blueberry Lemon Sour, Candy Emporium, Caramel Drizzle, and Lavender Marshmallow. I love Lavender Marshmallow. That is a good one. Remember last year we got Sugared Lemonade and Blueberry Sugar? I'm kind of wondering if Blueberry Lemon Sour is going to be a repackage. I do have this one, not burned. It smells amazing. This is the sugared sweet blueberries, fresh lemon juice, and sugar crystals. I think Blueberry Lemon Sour could be a repackage of this one because that's what it smells like. The White Barn Spring Seasonal Collection. We always get this. I have so many of these. Watermelon Lemonade, Island Margarita, Pink Apple Punch, Bergamot Waves, Pineapple Mango. Laundry Day is going to be included in there, which is interesting. Eucalyptus Rain and Cinnamon Spiced Vanilla. That's been around forever. I think Watermelon Lemonade and Island Margarita have been like every Candle Day for as long as I can remember. A Glass Collection: Tiki Beach, Pink Apple Punch, Mahogany Coconut, Sweater Weather, Bergamot Waters. The White Elephant Collection, which is Cosmopolitan and Candy Cane Colada. I think a lot of people are interested in those. They don't have scent notes. They're just like, who knows? Top Shelf Elf. Remember last year we got Tipsy Elf. And then Hot Pink Cocoa. I want to get that one. Caramel Frappuccino, Brioche French Toast, and White Chocolate Macadamia. That's the other collection that I'm really interested in, those foodie collections. Then we have the All Is Calm collection, which is linen sheets, cozy cashmere, and cuddle weather. We have Vanilla Birch, Afternoon Rainfall, Palo Santo, and Lavender Vanilla. And then we have, again, Island Margarita, Ocean Driftwood, Cactus Blossom, and Black Cherry Merlot. Then we have Stress Relief Eucalyptus. There's a Valentine's Day collection, which is really interesting. I like the Bubbly Rosé. The Sulcation, which is, let's see, what is that? Palo Santo, Vanilla Coconut Surf, Happiness and Joy Endless Weekend. And then we have Blue Icelandic Waves, Sedona Sandstone, and Bali Rainforest. So those are the names of the candles that so far Tess has out on her site for Candle Day. You'll probably see a lot of these showing up on Instagram. What happens is a lot of stores, it's a test store, they might set them early. Sometimes people are able to get their hands on them early. I would say between Black Friday and the 1st, people are going to start seeing some of these candles maybe show up, because a lot of stores, they can't set them all like Sunday night. So you might not get the price, but we're going to see a lot of the Candle Day stuff start to roll in. So as soon as I can get pictures of everything, I will be posting them. But from what I'm hearing, it looks like the price point is going to be the $9.95. Now, a lot of people are asking, are there different candles for semi-annual sale? Yes. So Candle Day kind of rolls into semi-annual sale, but then we should see some new collections for semi-annual sale, which is not that far off. I mean, that's going to be like 25 days off of Candle Day. So there's a lot of excitement happening. As I get more information in, I will be talking about it. We got to talk about how to do a wish list. We have to talk about things like, how many candles do you budget for? Should you buy all of your candles for the year at Candle Day? Should you space it out? Is $9.99 or $9.95 just like the lowest price? I mean, is it worth it getting all of your candles on Candle Day? I don't know. We got a lot to talk about. So anyway, It's all rolling in. Oh my gosh. Candle Day, less than 2 weeks away. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the price point this year, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.